One piece Elvis suits.
Yeah, this is a good time. Just tell us who Bloop is.
Bloop. Bloop is my goldfish, and what I do is I bring Mr. Bloop. It's actually Mr. Bloop, not just Bloop. I bring him to my shows, and if I see somebody who is sad and they're kind of standing in the corner, I take this big giant stuffed fish and throw him at him. Because nobody can remain unhappy after having a giant goldfish thrown at their head. And so what they do is they often Bloop up, shove their hand in the dance. Or they get mad at me. But either way, they're either angry or elated and no longer sad. Or lonely, because who can be lonely when you have Mr. Bloop with you?
Where did Bloop come from?
Bloop I found in
Oh, that was a trick question. It was Mr. Bloop. What? You totally didn't.
Minus
honor
2
the Mr.
points.
Bloop. No, but that was a real question. Where's Bloop?
Blooper.
Mr. Bloop came.
That'll do on
Mr.
the
Bloop
blooper
That'll be on
came
the blooper reel.
from. Mr. Bloop came all over my face. Okay, he came from a golf store. He was originally meant to be a golf head cover, and I saw him, and he looked so sad, and I didn't want that to be his fate. And so I bought him. And I went in there, I was so ecstatic about him that they gave me 50% off because I just really wanted him because he's so adorable. Look.
Arcade?
And he's the only thing to survive
That'll be up to like 4.
out of a house fire that we had.
Cool. See you later.
So yeah, he comes with me.
It's Mr. Bloop's voice.
He's kind of like a Pokemon. All he can say is bloop. Like literally all he can say is bloop. Okay, it's a sound effect. That's all he said. It's a sound effect because he's a fish. Hello. See? Just like that. Bloop. But he's very expressive about it. Like he means what he's saying. He wants
Like
people.
sonar. Which is kind of subsonic, low frequency.
He's got like he's got a deep bassy voice. Like a
Sounds like a dubstep.
yeah, he's a roots.
Dubstep.
He is a dubstep
Is he
fish.
a dubstepper? Don't you have to
He's-
teach a step?
He's a fish stepper.
He's a roots dubstep
He's a
sort of guy.
Finner. He's a dub finner.
I think that we have to go play
Okay.
music now.